job at Glendale Adventist Hospital.
What's that?
Position with a tremendous amount of responsibility for somebody who was so young.
John asked Sherry out, and soon they were dating.
John was instantly smitten by Sherry. Sherry was taken by John.
Just won't do nothing. Just sits and stares at it. I'm not.
He didn't like that.
And unlike John and Stephanie, there was nothing passionate about their relationship.
Oh, maybe he's gonna do
They
something.
were pretty quickly very deep.
But the other cat, on the other hand,
But where did that leave
she just,
Stephanie?
yep, come on, get it. Oh, I want it. Yeah, I gotta get it. Yep. Oh, it's in his play zone though.
There were no more
She quits.
calls, no more
When it's in
trips
his
to the
play
movies,
zone, she
no
quits.
more dating.
John had met Sherry and had completely broken off any sort of relationship with Stephanie.
That's a ninja. Paying respect to
Meanwhile, less than a year
Master
after they met,
Garfield,
John's relationship with
the
Sherry
laziest
had turned
cat on the
serious.
face of the
John
planet.
proposed to Sherry on Memorial Day in 1985 down in San Diego at a boat that her parents owned.
Word of the engagement eventually got back to Stephanie, and Stephanie quickly got in touch with John.
Not a thing.
She called him on the phone and asked if John would meet her. And John
Either
said
it's
that
a
she
highly
was distraught. She was
unmotivated
crying on the
cat,
phone. He had never
highly
seen her
stupid cat,
upset
or highly
upset in this
ingenious
way.
cat.
And then Stephanie told him why she was so
Because
upset.
he won't even
She
chase it.
talked
He'll look
about
at it.
her feelings
wow,
that
there's
she
that.
always loved him, that she was carrying this torch for him.
She expressed her love for him, but John said no, he had met this woman and he was going to go on.